Well, it is another fantastic day here at Fun King Garage, and it is, well, it's Tuesday, and I leave on Thursday. It's Tuesday in the afternoon after work, and I leave on Thursday morning, and I know that I have shorted you guys on a lot of videos. In fact, I filmed this video about 4 days ago, maybe 5 days ago, and it never even made it to YouTube. So hopefully you're seeing this one, and I do apologize because there was a ton of footage, but I have zero extra time. I am still working on this car, and we leave in just over 24 hours. It does run. We've had the alignment done. The suspension's all rebuilt. I'm putting interior in it now. Not a whole interior, just enough to make it comfortable, and it's going to be good. It's going to be a good ride. I'm still iffy on the brakes. I fixed a transmission leak on it last night. At least I think I did. I will be testing that today. In fact, I'm about to fire it up and take it for a little rip around the neighborhood. I've only put maybe a quarter of a mile on the car since it's been running, and we're leaving on a 3,100 mile trip. I'm a little stressed. I have a lot of anxiety. I got a new camera, and it's going with us in Power Tour. So you guys are sitting at home going, wow, he's got a camera guy following him around. No, I have a fancy new camera, and it comes with this cool lapel mic. But we will be doing videos. I'm going to try to do a video or maybe two on the way to Power Tour, a daily during Power Tour, and then depending on how it goes coming home, I may do some videos then too. This year is going to be a little different. This year, when we get to the end of the trip on Friday, Saturday morning, the wife and Zach are flying home because Zach has camp on Monday. So then it's just Andrew and I driving home the rest of the way. So I haven't even touched the Fairlane. It's still sitting over here where it has been for weeks now, and it just needs a couple of things. So I got new shocks for the front, and those will be going on either tonight or tomorrow night, and oil change on both cars. This still has break-in oil, and it's either going to work or it's not going to work. So again, I really just made this video to apologize to you guys for not having more content on the build of this Mustang, and it will come. I will release it because a lot of cool stuff happened with this car, and there is so much more to come with this car. There's a lot that it still needs. We made some good friends at National Parts Depot. Yeah, for instance, Friday, the kid said to me, I'd really like to have power steering. So Saturday we went and bought power steering, and I put that in on Saturday. I'm sure you'll see that in one of the videos. But for now, if you're on the tour, please find us, say hello. If you're not on the Power Tour, but you are a car person, enjoy the videos. And if you ever have an opportunity, do a hot rod Power Tour. Just don't build a project like this in 4 months. It has stressed me out so bad. So bad. So anyway, stay tuned. Watch the coverage of the Power Tour. And again, if you're out there, we'll see you. And as always, thanks for watching. It's just too cool. It follows my face.